I've extensively used Google Keep and Google Docs, and today I'm here to explain each tool, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's go. First up, Google Keep. It's a lightweight note-taking app designed for quick thoughts, to-do lists, and reminders. You can jot down text, add images, voice notes, or checklists, and organize with color coding and labels. It syncs across devices via Google Drive and offers basic collaboration by sharing notes. It's perfect for capturing ideas on the go. Now, Google Docs. This is a full-fledged word processor for creating, editing, and collaborating on detailed documents. It supports rich text formatting, tables, images, and advanced features like revision history and real-time collaboration. It's cloud-based, auto-saves, and integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, ideal for professionals or team projects. So, how do they stack up? Let's break it down. Google Keep shines for quick, simple notes and personal organization. It's fast, intuitive, and great for lists or reminders, but it lacks advanced formatting or deep collaboration tools. Google Docs, on the other hand, is your go-to for structured, long-form documents and team collaboration. With robust editing and formatting options, though it's overkill for quick notes. Which is better? Use Google Keep for personal notes, grocery lists, or brainstorming. Choose Google Docs for reports, essays, or team projects. Both are free and sync with Google Drive, so you can even copy Keep notes into Docs for further editing. That's it, guys. Pick the tool that fits your vibe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this one, and let us know your favorite in the comments. See you next time.